Cloud engineering is one of the fastest-growing tech roles today, and for good reason. If you've ever wondered what a cloud engineer actually does, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of cloud engineering, from daily responsibilities to the technologies and tools used by cloud engineers. Whether you're exploring a career as a cloud engineer or just curious about what they actually do, I'm here to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether cloud engineering might be the right path for you. The opportunities in cloud engineering are immense. In fact, it's predicted to be one of the most in-demand tech jobs for the next decade. Cloud engineers often command salaries above $100,000 a year, and with the right skills, this is a field that you can thrive in. But before we get into what a cloud engineer really does, let's start by understanding exactly what cloud engineering is and why it has become so important. Hi, I'm Jasmine, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or cloud pro fast. What is cloud engineering? At its core, cloud engineering involves the design, implementation, and management of cloud computing systems. Imagine all the websites you visit, the apps you use, and the online services you rely on daily. These services aren't running from a single computer somewhere. They operate from the cloud. The cloud is essentially a network of servers that store data and applications over the internet rather than on a local hard drive. This shift from physical data centers to cloud-based solutions has revolutionized the way businesses operate, making them more efficient and scalable. Before cloud computing, companies had to manage their applications and services from physical data centers. These centers were costly to maintain, difficult to scale, and often inefficient. With the advent of cloud services provided by giants like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP, businesses can now rent the computing power, storage, and networking they need without investing in expensive infrastructure. This pay-as-you-go model allows companies to scale up or down based on their needs, making cloud computing a game-changer for businesses of all sizes. Daily tasks of a cloud engineer. So, what does a day in the life of a cloud engineer look like? Cloud engineering is a multifaceted role that requires a broad range of skills and the ability to adapt to different tasks. The daily tasks of a cloud engineer can be categorized into four main pillars: tasks, operations, technologies, and projects. On any given day, a cloud engineer might find themselves working on various aspects of cloud infrastructure. For example, one day, you might be building infrastructure in the cloud using tools like Terraform. The next day, you could be setting up CI/CD pipelines with GitHub Actions or Jenkins, or architecting solutions for clients. The diversity of tasks is one of the most appealing aspects of this role. If you enjoy working on different projects and using a variety of tools and technologies, cloud engineering might be the perfect career for you. While there are overlaps between cloud engineering, DevOps engineering, and solutions architecture, a cloud engineer is often considered a jack of all trades. You'll use different tools and technologies to build solutions that meet your clients' needs, whether it's optimizing a company's cloud infrastructure or helping them migrate their operations to the cloud. Cloud engineer versus DevOps engineer versus solutions architect. It's important to distinguish between the roles of a cloud engineer, a DevOps engineer, and a solutions architect. While these roles often overlap, they each have distinct responsibilities. A cloud engineer primarily focuses on building and maintaining cloud infrastructure. A DevOps engineer, on the other hand, bridges the gap between development and operations, ensuring that software development and IT operations work seamlessly together. Meanwhile, a solutions architect designs comprehensive solutions that meet specific business needs, often working closely with both cloud engineers and DevOps engineers to implement these solutions. In many cases, cloud engineers may find themselves taking on tasks that fall under the umbrella of solutions architecture or DevOps, particularly in smaller teams or companies. However, their primary responsibility remains the design, deployment, and management of cloud infrastructure. Cloud planning and strategy. One of the key responsibilities of a cloud engineer is cloud planning and strategy. This involves working with various stakeholders, including software engineers, QA teams, engineering managers, and architects, to determine which services or applications will be moved to the cloud. Cloud engineers play a crucial role in these discussions, providing insights into the best solutions for the company's needs. For example, when working on a cloud migration project, a cloud engineer might be responsible for designing the architecture, setting up CI/CD pipelines, and implementing infrastructure as code. It's the engineer's job to present the best possible options to the client and then execute the plan, ensuring that the migration is smooth and efficient. Depending on the size and scope of the project, cloud engineers may work alongside other cloud engineers, solutions architects, and DevOps engineers. Collaboration is key in cloud engineering, as the success of a project often depends on the seamless integration of different components. Cloud operations. Once the planning and strategy phase is complete, cloud engineers move into the operations phase, which involves deployments, monitoring, and maintenance. This is where the real hands-on work begins. Cloud engineers set up the cloud environment, configure accounts, and transfer data, applications, and services to the cloud servers. A significant part of cloud operations involves monitoring the cloud environment to ensure that everything runs smoothly. If a server goes down or a security issue arises, it's the cloud engineer's responsibility to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This requires a deep understanding of the cloud platform being used, as well as the ability to think critically and solve complex issues quickly. Cloud technologies. To be an effective cloud engineer, you need to be proficient in a variety of cloud technologies. While there are many tools and platforms available, there are some core technologies that every cloud engineer should be familiar with. First and foremost is the cloud platform itself. Whether it's AWS, Azure, or GCP, understanding the cloud platform you're working with is essential. AWS is currently the most popular platform, with a wide range of services and tools available to cloud engineers. However, Azure and GCP are also strong contenders, each with its own strengths and advantages. Another crucial technology is infrastructure as code, IAC. Instead of manually setting up servers and databases, cloud engineers use IAC tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or AWS CDK to automate the process. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Terraform is particularly popular because it's cloud agnostic, meaning it can be used across multiple cloud platforms. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, is another key practice in cloud engineering. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and GitHub Actions automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications, making the release process faster and more reliable. While Jenkins is one of the most well-known CI/CD tools, newer tools like GitHub Actions are gaining popularity due to their seamless integration with cloud platforms. Cloud platform. As mentioned earlier, cloud engineers need to have a deep understanding of the cloud platform they're working with. AWS, Azure, and GCP each offer a wide range of services, and the choice of platform often depends on the company's size, industry, and specific needs. For example, many public sector organizations use a hybrid cloud approach, combining AWS with Azure or GCP. Startups, on the other hand, often prefer AWS due to its extensive range of services and flexibility. Regardless of the platform, it's important for cloud engineers to stay up to date with the latest developments and best practices in cloud computing. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Infrastructure as code is a fundamental practice in cloud engineering. By writing code to manage and provision cloud resources, cloud engineers can automate the setup and maintenance of cloud infrastructure. This not only makes the process more efficient, but also ensures consistency and reduces the risk of errors. Terraform is one of the most popular IAC tools. However, many businesses also use native IAC tools tied to their cloud platform, such as AWS CloudFormation or AWS CDK. Regardless of the tool, learning IAC is essential for anyone looking to excel in cloud engineering. CI/CD with Jenkins, GitHub Actions. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, are critical practices in cloud engineering. CI/CD tools automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications, making it easier to release updates and new features. Jenkins is one of the most well-known CI/CD tools, and while it can be a bit clunky to learn, mastering Jenkins can make it easier to pick up other tools like GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is gaining popularity due to its integration with cloud platforms, making it a great choice for cloud engineers looking to streamline their CI/CD pipelines. Containers with Docker and Kubernetes. Containerization is another important technology in cloud engineering. Docker allows engineers to package applications and their dependencies into containers, making them easier to deploy and manage. Kubernetes, on the other hand, is a tool that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of these containers. While not all companies require expertise in containerization, it's a valuable skill to have in your toolbox. Docker is a great starting point, and once you've mastered it, you can move on to learning Kubernetes to further enhance your cloud engineering skills. Programming. While not all cloud engineers need to be expert programmers, having a solid understanding of programming can help you stand out in the field. Python is a popular choice because it's easy to learn and widely used in cloud computing. Whether you're automating tasks, writing scripts, or building custom solutions, programming skills can give you a significant advantage in your cloud engineering career. Cloud projects. Cloud engineers often work on a wide range of projects, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities for learning. Whether it's helping a retail company move its online store to the cloud or working on an internal project to improve HR management, cloud engineers play a crucial role in shaping the future of technology. Each project offers a chance to learn something new, whether it's a new tool, a new technology, or a new way of solving problems. This is one of the most rewarding aspects of cloud engineering. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more cloud-related content. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.